Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I have a little something special. This kind of goes along with the Countach replica restoration project I've been working on, but I didn't want to do it as part of that series because it's a little bit different, but it still pertains to the Lamborghini parts. What we're going to be doing is unboxing a set of the Lamborghini Countach replacement headlights. So let's go ahead and get started. Now what I have here that I've ordered is the complete set. If you're not familiar with the Lamborghini Countach, basically the way that it was is you had 4 bulbs total. You had 2 on each side. You had your low beams and your high beams. The low beams went on the outside. The high beams were on the inside. So what I did here is I ordered that complete set. So I have 4 bulbs here. Now normally, if you're buying the original Italian bulbs, which were made by a company by the name of Carello, you're looking at about $950 plus $50 shipping to get an original set. So you're looking at $1,000 just for 4 light bulbs. What I did though is I found through a company by the name of rockauto.com. I ordered them through eBay. I got the complete set, the 4 bulbs, same size, the 5 3/4 inch bulbs, except this was less than $45 with free shipping. They're not made in Italy. This is made by, I believe, Wagner is the ones who made these. Same size bulbs, they look the same. No one would ever know it unless you look at the actual glass, because on the glass of the actual Carellos it says Carello. Take a look. Where with this one here, obviously it doesn't say that. Now, the only thing is that the harness plug on the back may be a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it now so we can take them out and inspect them and take a look at them. And let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now we have two sets here. We have the H5006. These are your low beam bulbs. And then you have the H5001. These are your high beam bulbs. Let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look at it. Okay, so here's the bulb here. This is the low beam, and these are Wagners. I'll get a close-up of that so you can see that. Where, as I mentioned before, on the actual Carellos, it would say Carello on the front, so that's the only difference. Now the back on here, you have 3 prongs. I'm not sure how the backs are on the Carellos, because I've seen some of the older Carello bulbs that were used in some of the Ferraris, and I believe on the earlier Countaches, they had the same pattern here on the back. I think the newer ones were different. Even if that is the case, you can always rewire it or in order to fit the harness. In my opinion, I would put the extra couple bucks and labor in to rewire it and get a set of 4 replacement bulbs that are the exact same diameter, the exact same looking bulb, and as far as the performance of them, you're saving $950 plus, because you're comparing $1,000 to $43. So if you've got an original Countach or a replica that takes the 5 3/4 inch bulb, in my opinion, I would highly recommend ordering from Rock Auto, getting a set of these here and saving the money, unless you're hell-bent on having the original Italian bulbs, which in my opinion, I think is a waste of money. So, let me get a close-up of this for you so you can take a look at these. And there you can see the Wagner name there in the middle of the glass. There's a shot of the full set there. As you can see, these are Wagners. Sylvania also makes the same models, the H5006 and H5001. However, they are a little bit more, so I opted with these in order to keep things within budget. Okay, well this pretty much wraps up this video. Just wanted to do this unboxing and just kind of show this product. However, I won't be actually testing them in the vehicle itself for probably another couple months while I'm waiting to finish the actual pop-up assemblies and brackets. Now, if you have a real Countach, I know I've seen some forums on there online for Lamborghini Countach where some owners were trying to find replacement bulbs, having a hard time. As I mentioned already, this is a very good option right here to go with this. Less than $45 free shipping through rockauto.com via eBay. In my opinion, you can't beat this. This was the best deal I found and still having decent quality. The only thing, as I mentioned, you just need to double check the back of your existing bulbs and see if there's any modifications that you would have to do with the harness to make it fit. I don't think you would have to on some of the earlier ones. I don't know about on the newer ones, so you would have to just double check that. So this wraps up this video. I hope this was informative and I hope it helped you out if you're looking for bulbs for either the real Lamborghini Countach or a replica that you're working on. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.